Centuries ago, in the heart of Lille, France, a remarkable endeavor took place: the creation and construction of the awe-inspiring St. Maurice Church. This architectural gem, steeped in history and religious significance, stands as a testament to the dedication, craftsmanship, and devotion of the people who brought it to life. The story of St. Maurice Church dates back to the 14th century, when the residents of Lille, fervently devoted to their faith, sought to establish a place of worship that would reflect the grandeur of their beliefs. Led by a shared vision, they embarked on a journey to create a sacred space that would inspire reverence and awe. The construction of St. Maurice Church was a monumental undertaking. Skilled craftsmen and artisans dedicated themselves to the meticulous task of bringing the grand design to fruition. They harnessed their expertise in Gothic architecture, which was prevalent during that era, to craft a structure that would stand as a testament to their faith for generations to come. The church's exterior is a captivating display of intricate stonework and ornate details. Delicate gargoyles, gracefully carved statues, and exquisite stained glass windows adorn its façade, telling stories of biblical significance and invoking a sense of wonder. The towering spires, reaching towards the heavens, beckon the faithful and visitors alike to witness the beauty that lies within. As one steps inside St. Maurice Church, a sense of tranquility and spirituality envelopes the space. The lofty vaulted ceilings seem to touch the heavens, while the light streaming through the stained glass creates an ethereal ambience. The interior showcases intricate woodwork, meticulously carved altars, and sacred relics, each contributing to the solemnity and reverence within. Over the centuries, St. Maurice Church has witnessed the ebb and flow of history. It survived wars, conflicts, and the passage of time, emerging as a resilient symbol of faith and community. The people of Lille, generation after generation, have cared for and preserved this architectural masterpiece, ensuring its legacy endures. Today, St. Maurice Church stands not only as a place of worship but also as a cherished cultural and historical landmark. Its majestic beauty attracts visitors from far and wide, who marvel at its architectural splendor and are captivated by the sense of reverence it evokes. The story of the creation and building of St. Maurice Church in Lille is a testament to the unwavering dedication of a community to their faith, and the artistic brilliance of the craftsmen who brought their vision to life. It serves as a reminder of the enduring power of architecture to inspire, uplift, and unite people across time and generations.